Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to commission in EnvisionProject using the non-graphical approach. This means that you don't need a reflected ceiling plan. I have my training case connected to my laptop using a PC node. Okay, let's get started. Open up EP. Today we'll open up a new empty job. We'll start by clicking on the Logical tab. We're going to click on the Create Area icon for as many areas as what we have in our project. In my training case I have 18, so I'll click 18 times. Okay, so now I can go ahead and rename each of those areas to something logical, like the master bathroom, the master bedroom, spare bedroom, and so on. You can right click and select Rename from the menu, or you can press F2 on your keyboard to open up any field in EP to rename. Also notice that I am not connected to the network at this point, so this part can be done off-site if you prefer. Right, continue renaming all of the areas to something logical. Once you have done that, you can go back to each area and click on Add Channel. Add the amount of channels that exist in the area. So for example, in the master bathroom, I have 1 channel. In the master bedroom, I have 2 channels. Add them and then name them accordingly so you know what is what. Repeat this for all of your areas. You can left click on the job and select Expand and Collapse if you like to. Okay, when you have done that, we have built our logical structure so we can connect to our network and we can flash the physical circuit and drag and drop it into the logical channel. Now I'll connect to the network by going to my connection settings and click Configure and select the COM port. Remember, I have done it this way today to show you what we can do offline. You can connect earlier in the project. Okay, search for your devices on the network by clicking Insert Devices from Network. And today I'll search for my devices using the drop-down menus to search on product type. I know that I only have 2 load controllers and 2 panels in my case, so when I have found those, I can add them to my project and shut that search down. Okay, let's look at the load controllers just for fun. I have added the devices without uploading the config that was on them. So what I should expect to see is that all of the physical channels are set to logical area 1. If I click on both load controllers, I can see that that is the case. If we have a quick look at the panels, we can see that they are set to preset 1 to 6, and they are all set to area 1. So my devices are in a factory set state. What we want to do now is to click on our logical tab, and in the config window on the right hand side, click on Unassigned Devices. Expand the load controllers, and we can see 2 load controllers, each with 12 channels on them. Right, now all we do is simply press flash, and in the real world you would walk around with your project and look for the flashing lights. Here in my case I can see that the master bathroom is flashing, so I drag and drop into the logical channel I previously created. Repeat this for all of the channels. Flash them and then drop them into the correct logical channel. If you make a mistake and drop them into the wrong place, then you can right-click on the channel in the logical window and then select Unassigned Channel. It will then go back over to the Unassigned Devices list. If you want, you can also drag and drop in the logical window from one channel to another. Once you have completed all of that flashing, then you can press F8 to toggle to the Network tab and then download that information to your devices. We can see the network monitor going crazy there. That's downloading all of the information to each device. When you see the 2 red lines in the network window, that is your sign that it has completed that. What you will see in the real world too is the lights will go on and off. That's because when you dump the configuration to the devices, the last thing that will happen is the device reboots. Okay, the last thing that I want to make sure is that I have done that correctly. So I can flash each area now and make sure that the correct area flashes in my training case.